Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, February 3, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I have many emails to answer.
I understand. Mondays are always hard.
Yes, but today is not Monday.
That is true. It feels like a Monday.
I need a strong coffee.
Me too. This machine is slow today.
It is always slow when I am in a hurry.
Do you have a meeting soon?
Yes, I have a sales meeting in 30 minutes.
Good luck with that.
Thank you. I need luck.
Is the coffee ready?
Almost. It smells good.
Yes, it does.
So, did you read the news this morning?
I read a little bit. Why?
I saw something interesting in the Wall Street Journal.
Which article?
It was about money in Europe.
Oh, I think I saw the headline.
It says the European Union wants to stop using cash.
Yes, the cashless continent plan.
Exactly. They want to remove physical money by 2030.
That is very soon. Only 4 years from now.
I know, it is crazy.
The article says it is to stop tax evasion.
Yes, that is the reason.
But many people are angry.
I'm angry too. I like cash.
Why do you like cash, David?
It is simple. I can buy a coffee and nobody knows.
You value your privacy.
Yes. If I use a card, the bank knows everything.
That is a valid point.
Also, what about old people?
My grandmother does not use a smartphone.
Exactly. How can she buy bread?
She needs physical coins and notes.
The article says 60% of people oppose this.
That is a big number.
It is a very controversial topic.
As a project manager, I see the logic.
What logic?
Digital money is easier to track and manage.
It is good for the government,
Yes, and good for big businesses.
but not good for me.
Do you carry cash now?
Let me check my pocket.
Well,
I have $10.
see, you use cash.
I want to keep my $10.
I think the debate will continue for a long time.
I hope so. I do not want a digital wallet only.
Technology changes everything, David.
Speaking of technology, did you see CNN?
I saw the homepage this morning.
There is a story about cars.
Is it the article about subscriptions?
Yes, that one.
That is a very hot topic today.
It makes me very frustrated.
Tell me about it.
The car companies want us to pay every month.
Yes, for features like heated seats.
It is ridiculous. I buy the car, I own the seats.
Not anymore, David.
The article says it starts next year in 2027.
Well, the agreement was signed this week.
They call it feature as a service.
It is a business model.
It is a bad model for me.
Think about it. Software controls the car,
I know, but the heater is hardware.
but the button is software.
So I have to pay $15 a month to be warm.
That is the plan.
And if I stop paying,
The seat gets cold.
that is terrible.
It is like Netflix, but for your car.
I can cancel Netflix. I cannot drive a cold car in winter.
The article says 5 major companies agreed to this.
I will not buy their cars.
You might not have a choice.
I will keep my old car forever.
That is not very practical for a sales representative.
I do not care. I have principles.
It is interesting how we rent everything now.
I do not want to rent my air conditioning.
The article mentions safety features too,
Like what?
like automatic braking or lane assistance.
So safety costs extra money?
It seems so. It is a premium subscription.
That is dangerous.
I agree. Safety should be standard.
I hope people protest against this.
There are many angry comments online.
I will write a comment too.
You are very passionate today, David.
These news stories worry me.
Do you want to hear the third story?
Is it bad news too?
It depends on your opinion.
Okay, tell me.
It is from the Washington Post.
What is the topic?
It is about schools.
Oh, I have 2 kids in school.
Then this is important for you.
What does it say?
There is a new bill in Congress.
And?
They want to make the school week 4 days.
Only 4 days?
Yes, Monday to Thursday.
No school on Friday?
No school on Friday.
Wow, that is a big change.
The article says it saves energy for the schools.
Okay, that makes sense.
And it reduces stress for the students.
My kids would love that.
I am sure they would.
But wait a minute.
What is wrong?
I work on Friday.
Yes, most people work on Friday.
So, where are my kids on Friday?
That is the problem.
They are at home alone.
The article discusses this conflict.
Parents have to pay for childcare.
Exactly, it is expensive.
So the school saves money, but I pay money.
That is the main criticism.
I do not like this idea.
Teachers support it, according to the report.
Of course, they get a 3-day weekend.
They say they can prepare lessons on Friday.
I understand, but it is hard for parents.
The Washington Post says 70% of parents are worried.
I am one of them.
It changes the structure of society.
Everything is changing this week.
No cash rental cars and 4-day schools.
It is too much for 1 week.
The world moves very fast.
I just want to sell my products and drink coffee.
Speaking of coffee, your cup is empty?
You are right, I drank it all.
Do you feel better?
A little bit, the caffeine helps.
Good, we have a long day ahead.
Yes, I have to prepare for my meeting.
And I have to check the project timeline.
Do you think the boss knows about the car news?
Why?
Maybe he will pay for my heated seats.
You can ask him.
I will ask him later.
Good luck with that conversation.
Thanks, Alex.
You are welcome, David.
By the way, are you free for lunch?
Maybe, what time?
Around 1 o'clock.
I have a call 1.
Okay, maybe 2 o'clock.
Yes, 2 is good for me.
Great. We can talk more about the news.
Or we can talk about work.
Work is boring, the news is exciting.
You said the news makes you angry?
Angry is a type of excitement.
You are funny, David.
I try my best.
Okay. I need to go to my desk.
Me too. My computer is waiting.
Have a good sales meeting.
Thank you. Have a good project morning.
See you at lunch.
See you later, Alex.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.